We can install Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers on the front or rear wheels only. Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers create more space between the rims and the wheel hub assembly to accommodate more modification parts. Whether we are adding larger rims or wider tires, Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are useful to ensure proper fitment and instantly change their appearance. Getting the wheels flush with the fenders is safe. If we add a wide body kit in the front only, we can use the Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers in the front only to achieve a perfect brush stance. To ensure safe wheel rotation, we would need more inner wheel clearance for the brake calipers. Typically, large aftermarket brakes require more space between the wheels and the hub assembly. By creating more inner wheel clearance, Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers effectively will eliminate the large brake clearance issues. For those who prefer the front and rear widths to be symmetrical, adding Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers on the front only is a common operation. Even if we don't change the stock configuration, these Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers can make our vehicle perform better and look cooler. Both Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are the pinnacle of aftermarket Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers. BONOSS active cooling spacers undergo continuous tons of pressure to form. This eliminates any priority, shrinkage, and other process presented in the raw material. The resulting Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure. As a result, BONOSS Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers can be much more durable with much less material. Besides, BONOSS active cooling Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are designed with heat extraction rules to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape. These rules allow the outside cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are made of the highest security grade 6261P6 and 7075P6 aluminum alloy. Both forged aluminum 6061P6 and 7075P6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear resistance characteristics. This is why BONOSS active cooling Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are far stronger as well as lighter than those underbrand casting alternatives.